Hi, this is Jitendra Ashok from Cypress Semi. Today we will see how to program the CY23FP12 or the programmable zero delay buffer using the CY3672 programming kit. Before we start, you will need to ensure that you have the CyberClocks software installed onto your system. This software can be downloaded from cypress.com software all software. Also, you will need to ensure that you install the CY3672 software with the USB driver from the CD that would have come with the CY3672 programming kit. The CY3672 programming kit has three main components to it. The first being the main programming board, a universal power supply of 12 volt, and a USB cable that helps you to connect your PC to the main programming kit. On top of that, you will need a socket adapter to program your particular device. Note that you will need a different socket adapter for each different device that you wish to program. What is the flow of programming that we will follow today? We will first use the CyberClocks software to create the JEDEC file. We will then go ahead and set up the CY3672 programming kit, and finally use the CY3672 software to program the actual device using the JEDEC file that we have just created. We will now see how to create the JEDEC file using the CyberClocks software. When you open the CyberClocks software, the first thing you will need to do is go and select the device you wish to program. Since we are going to program a programmable zero delay buffer or the CY23FP12 device, we will go and select that particular device. Once selected, a new window opens up where you need to specify all the various parameters of your device. For example, what is the reference input and what is the output at each of your outputs. I will assume that we will use 100 megahertz output at each of my outputs and specify the same. Once you specified the output values, you can even enter the advanced mode to specify additional information regarding to dividers, the PLL bypass mode, or the pull down enable or disable features. Once you have specified all the values, you can go and save a particular JEDEC file for your device, and once you press save, you would have successfully created the JEDEC file for which you will use to program your device. Now we will see how to set up the CY3672 programming kit to program our device using the JEDEC file. To set up the CY3672 programming kit, take the socket adapter for your particular device and ensure it's mounted on top of the programming kit. Note, there's a slot on the programming kit where your socket adapter fits. Once you cleanly mount it, ensure that you press it down so that your socket adapter sits cleanly on top of your programming kit. Once this is done, you will need to connect your PC to the programming kit using a USB cable. This cable, one end goes to the PC and the other end goes to the USB slot on your programming kit. The final setup is essentially to connect the 12 volt power supply to the programming kit and switching on the device. Note that there is a device mounted on top of the programming kit which will be programmed using the CY3672 software. To program the device, open up the CY3672 programmer, select the device which you are programming today, which is the CY23FP12. Once you double click, a new window opens up where you will need to confirm the device which you are programming. Click on start button. Which opens up another window where you will need to specify the JEDEC file which you had created Once you press OK, press yes again to upload the program data onto the software. Once you do this, click on program IC. This is the icon with the hand. That's it. You have now successfully programmed the Cypress device. To verify, click on the tick mark. The device has been successfully verified as well. Hence, we have seen how we can successfully program a CY23FP12 device using the CY3672 programming kit. For additional support, please visit cypress.com support. You can create a case if you require any technical assistance. Else, please contact your local sales representative or authorized distributor. Thank you.